this is Sonja from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Today we're going to do something different. It's quite exciting. I was a guest designer on LindseyDecor's channel yesterday, and I was sending her a video to put on her YouTube channel because she is suffering from a bad cold and her whole family is ill, and she obviously wants to keep her channel going, getting traffic towards it. So she made a suggestion that we can send her some YouTube videos, and then she can put it on her YouTube channel, and then we can get a little bit of exposure, and her channel sort of get traffic and likes and comments, so it keeps help her and it help us. So yes, I was lucky enough to be one of them. So what I've done is, this is a video of day 11, 12, 13 and 14 of my gratitude documenting. As you know, I'm doing a memory decks cards. So I made the video already to put on my channel, but then when she sent out this request, I just forwarded the video to her and she put it on her channel. So I'm not going to put it on my channel also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link for you up in the chart and in the description box. So just follow it. And what's my journey further, my journey on my gratitude documenting there. Give her channel lots of likes and love and support. If you haven't subscribed to her, I don't know where you've been, but if you haven't, please subscribe to her channel also. Yeah, and I would really appreciate it if you do that, just to give her some love for giving something back to us as a community. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you. Bye.